to use a coffee maker, there are 4 options. There's cappuccino, espresso, latte, or coffee. Cappuccino is my favorite, so we're going to do that one. Grab any mug and place it under the 2 spouts. And then choose which one you want. So I'll choose cappuccino. Adjust the beans to however you want it and wait for it to go. Now I'll ask you how much froth you want, which comes from over here in the milk. This is the milk container. If you ever need to take it out, just pull this out and fill it with milk again. Adjust the ounces to however much you want. I like 3, so I'm going to leave it at 3. And then let it do its magic. Now while that does that, if you walk over here to the fridge, somewhere in here, there should be some white mocha creamer. There's that, and then just stir it up. Come over here. There are tiny little spoons. Make sure to always put this silver under it because it'll do a rinse cycle every so often. Just rinse it out. If it ever says empty grounds like this, all you need to do is pull this and take this, walk it over to the trash can and dump it out. And all you need to do is bring it back over and put it in there. If it ever says, doesn't say it now, but if it says to fill the water, all you need to do is come back here, this little tab, pull up, and pull on that, bring it behind the coffee machine, and around, and then fill it with water right there up to the max line, and then bring it back around this way and slide it in. There you go.